gentlemen of the press, the National Economic Council Ad Hoc Committee on Crude Oil Theft, Prevention and Control, which I chair, presented an interim report today to the Council. And recall that before 2023, May 29th, when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was sworn in as the president, our crude oil production was around 700, 800 barrels a day. And that led to the reconstitution of my committee to work with critical stakeholders and operators in the industry to see how we can cope the issues of crude oil theft. So working with stakeholders, the regulator, operators in the industry, we were able to do a collaborative approach by involving all the governors of crude oil producing states in the country to raise the different security organizations, working with the Navy, Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, their consultants. We are all mobilized. And you would agree with me that as I speak, daily production is in excess of 1.7 million barrels a day. And the cases of pipeline vandalization of oil assets has also been on the decline. So our report today was to appraise NEC on the activities of the committee, and NEC received our report with satisfaction and expanded our terms of reference to now also taking interest in solid minerals, because our solid minerals are being mined and stolen and not adding to national revenue. So going forward, our committee, working with other government agencies, will look how to ensure that the revenue of the country arising from solid minerals like gold and other forms of solid minerals are not allowed to be stolen. So it is a thing of joy that we've done well. We, among other things, recommended that NNPC henceforth, working with security agencies and their security consultants, should also strengthen security in all the creeks in the region, the offshore, and extend security coverage to the offshore region of our areas. So, and that will help in curtailing and supervising the activities of illegal entries and exit of various vessels into our export terminals. So it is my opportunity to inform you that the prosperity that the President promised, we are gradually coming into it. So our committee is working hard. We will continue to work hard to serve our country. We have no other country we can call our own outside this place. So we are determined to ensure that crude oil production and gas is properly preserved for the benefit of our people and citizens of Nigeria. Thank you. What you just said is the reason for the decision taken by NEC today. It is the same concern of the miners in the country and the attitude of stealing our solid minerals without records, without counting to our revenue generation. That is why NEC, in their wisdom today, extended our terms of reference to cover the scope that will get us to look into what is happening in that sector. I'll be sounding prophetic if I tell you what is happening there. We will explore all avenues, use all methods to see how best we can get the concerns of yours addressed, which is also the concerns of many Nigerians today. So I think that is about that. For timelines, well, when we get to the theater, we'll know the type of operation and surgery that is required. We'll be able to come back to the council